Okay, welcome everybody. Sorry I'm late today, just got sidetracked and honestly forgot to make this one. But a few hours late's better than not at all. Got the Superpowers Collection Superman from 1984. Kenner made these. Their whole gimmick was they had action. He'd squeeze his legs and he'd do some punching. I think the Flash one I had it looked like he was running, and the Green Lantern just lifted his arm up with the power ring. I had a few of these, not a lot of them. I don't think they had one or two generations, I'm not even sure. They didn't last a tremendous amount of time, which is sort of surprising. They're good looking figures especially for the 80s. Plenty of sculpting. Got the legs, got full knee and hip motion there. And there's the copyright insignia there, 1984. I'm going to get to show up. There it goes. No other marks on it. Got the peg if you want to stand up. There was a Hall of Justice playset that was yellow, I think, for some reason. I enjoyed these figures. I guess I can see them with the posability of the Joes at this time. I could see them, this solid arm, solid leg thing not being a great selling point. His head it technically turns. It's really stiff. You can tell he's got the thick boy neck, so he's not really supposed to have a posable head, I don't believe. It did come with a cape. I think it was like a nylon, some kind of synthetic fabric. It had like a little semicircle plastic thing it would snap on and snap off real easily. And it stayed in place, but it was easy, like I say, easy to remove. But not otherwise. I feel like it's a pretty good representation of Superman. You got the forelock and blue eyes, and pretty, for 1984, this was a really detailed toy, and I'm happy that his logo and everything has stayed in place. But that's about all I got for old Soups. So come back on Friday, and I'll dig something else out of the toy box.